How to change your email address on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to change your email address on Steam. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Steam application on your device. Once you open up Steam, all you need to do is find your profile settings. You can do that by going over to the right hand side of your screen, go to Manage Account. From the drop-down, you can go ahead and click on View Account Details. It's going to take you directly over to your accounts. Now, from there, to be able to change your email, you can just go to Contact Info and then click on Change My Email Address. Tap on it, and it's going to take you to another page. First thing you need to do is select how you'd like to change your email address. If you already have your current email address access, you can just select this to send a verification code there. But if you don't have your email address access and you cannot receive a code, just select the second option. I already have my email, so I'll just select the first one, but you basically have to fill out all of these information to be able to change your email address. I'll just select this. It's going to send a verification code. All you have to do is enter the code here. So let me just quickly check the verification code on my Gmail. Here I've got the verification code. I'll just copy this, go back to Steam, and I'm going to paste the code over here. I'll just go ahead and paste the code here, tap on continue, and you'll have an option to change your email address. Just enter your new email address here, tap on change email. It's going to send a verification code again to your new email address, verify it, and you should be able to change it easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.